Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, November 30th. And you can see temperatures this morning in the upper 20s around 30, pretty chilly, but still a little bit above normal. Normal lows now are down into the low to mid 20s, so not too bad. In fact, the day today looks like it's going to be filled with lots of sunshine, especially early in the day. We'll see some clouds increase by late in the day, and then we'll have some showers move in for tonight into tomorrow, and they could turn to some snow showers by Tuesday night into Wednesday. Right now, just trace amounts of precipitation as far as snowfall, maybe an inch or so as you get over towards Newaygo and into the northwest and northwest lower Michigan, as some of that lake effect will also enhance some of the snow there. All areas should see a little bit of snow, but again, no big deal. Total precipitation from this next event looks like it's going to be on the order of about 2/10 to 4/10, maybe closer to a half inch as you get over towards western lower Michigan. But again, not a big system. We don't expect any big storms, any big, huge warm-ups, and no big cold Arctic outbreaks as well, as we'll be in somewhat of a split pattern. It's going to be a very benign and boring pattern, really, with lots of dry conditions, sunshine, and warmth right on through this upcoming weekend once we get past this early week system. And I think the nice weather will continue at least into early next week. If you take a look at the next shot, you can see the Jasper webcam, and pretty soon the employees and maybe a few customers will be rolling back from the long weekend filled full of turkey stuffing and pies, including my Texas Hold'em nemesis, Vincent, and the gang will all be back there this morning. And if we look at the regional look, you can see temperatures mainly in the 20s across the southern part of the state and some teens across northwest lower Michigan as well. But again, looks like a pretty mild pattern overall here coming up over the next 10 days. And you can see on the forecast map this morning, we'll have a low pressure system across Texas, another one across the Kentucky area. And again, that'll move off to the east. This next system will move off to the northeast into parts of Minnesota here in the next 36 hours, spreading snow out there and quite a bit of it in some places. And you can see by tomorrow morning, we'll see that low pressure in Minnesota bringing a moderate to heavy snow across that area. And it'll move the showers into the state here. And the secluded front will bring colder temperatures. We're going to get dry slottage, as you can see right here, later tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon before this low then begins to move more towards the east rather than to the northeast. And that'll wrap some of this moisture back into the area. More showers for tomorrow night. That'll turn to snow showers tomorrow night late and some snow showers into Wednesday morning before we then begin to see improving weather by Wednesday afternoon, with Thursday right on through the first of next week seeing lots of 40s, lots of sunshine, light winds, and just great late fall weather. If we look at the temperatures all the way into next Monday, we're going to see lots of 40s again, and I think we'll continue that trend probably beyond that, as we are in a pretty mild pattern, very boring pattern. And if we look at who might get some winter activity, you can see pretty heavy snow, 6 to 12 inches of snow possible across parts of eastern South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, northwest Iowa, and into southern parts of Minnesota, moving off to the northeast towards the western end of the UP, where they'll get a couple of inches of snow there as well. And then finally, if we take a look at for a white Christmas, this is really early, don't take a whole lot from this, but 4-panel ensemble models of the U.S. climate model shows anywhere from a couple of inches of snow on some runs, maybe 3 to 5 on this particular run, a trace to a couple of inches on this run, and about 6 to 12 inches on another run. So we'll continue to watch these with a little bit of interest, although it's, again, we get about a week before Christmas and we see something, then we can start thinking white Christmas. But until then, we'll just kind of look at these just for fun. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.